Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Plants for All Seasons web shop. So today we're going to be going through the navigation of the web shop, the filters, and basically how to find a product. So the first thing to look at is the left-hand side menu where you've got department. So you've got plants, so that's all your live plants, your indoor, your outdoor plants. You've got flowers, which is really tailored to your floristry items. You've got sundries, so you've got your pots and other decorative items in there. And then lastly, we've got Valentine's pre-order. So that would change depending on the time of year. And its sole focus is to look at Valentine's and the deals around that. So I'm going to go ahead and select plants. The next thing is looking at the departure day from Holland. So it'll give you the next couple of departure days coming up. Obviously, as the weeks progress, those departure days will continue to go out. So I'm going to choose the 4th of February. Price lists. I tend not to use this, but if you did want to specifically look at arrangements or decorative pots, you could choose those here. And then filters. So obviously filters are pretty important. If you want to narrow down your search, you can. One thing to say is that obviously towards the right hand side you've got search function, which is probably the most powerful tool on the web shop. So for example, if I wanted to look up philodendron, I could start typing it here and automatically it'd bring all of the philodendron. If you wanted to look for a specific plant, like if I wanted to look for philodendron majestic, you can pretty quickly find what you're after. But we'll just have a look at the filters. So tags is a pretty good one. We've already pre-tagged a lot of the items on the web shop. So if you're looking at air plants, bonsai, any of the fruits, again, Valentine's, the tags is a pretty good place to go. Product groups are also pretty good. So specifically for a lot of outdoor, if you're looking at bedding or you're looking at for climbers, here's a really good place to start. And it also shows you the amount of listings that are under those as well. Colours, I'll probably only use this if you're looking for flowering plants. Indoor wise, if you're looking for orchids or anthurium, for example, this is a good place to start. Origin, I typically wouldn't use this because everything that you buy anyway on the web shop is going to come in one consignment. Most 99% of the items are from the Netherlands, but you've also got Germany, Denmark, and Belgium. Again, I wouldn't use this because they all come in the same consignment anyway. And then you have growers. So if you've got a grower that you already love, let's say I quite like Ansu, to be honest, so I'll click on Ansu, click the tick, and it brings up all the Ansu products. So if there's a grower you already like, you can obviously search them here and look at all of their listings. Quality-wise, all our products anyway are A1 quality, so I wouldn't worry too much about this. I don't think you need it, to be honest. And then you've got pot size, height, and price. So these are filters that you can kind of toggle as you wish. If you've got specific clients that are after a certain height or pot size, or you've got a price point in mind, these are pretty good to use. And if you want to clear off the filters, obviously you can at the bottom. So those are the filters and the departments that you want to be looking at first. After this, you've obviously got your sort by at the top. So if you want to look at price point, low to high, height or pot size, that's a good place to go. And you've obviously got the alphabetical menu at the top if you want to just have more of a general browse around that. So for me, I would start with the department, the departure date, and then pretty much you can either use the filters or the top search bar to find all the products you want and start adding them to the basket.